Hey, how are YouTube? Today we're going to review the Type G 1.9 Beadlocks from Treal Hobbies. My name is Santiago Salinas and this is the Stuff RC. Please subscribe. I was looking for a nice set of Beadlocks for a new building project that I will show to you guys. So I saw these beauties, and when I received them I was so impressed that I decided to use them in my Axial SCX10III early Bronco. So let's start with the unboxing and let's see what is inside. Inside the box you will find, of course, the 4 Beadlocks, all the necessary hardware to put them together, and the sticker sheet, and I will say that's it. So let's talk about the wheels. First, the materials. These wheels, the front plate, the back plate, and the hex hub are made from aluminum, and the center ring is made from steel, as well as the hardware. And that's the reason why these Beadlocks are, the weight is 129.5 grams. We're gonna double check that with a scale in a sec. And also some of the dimensions of these Beadlocks are, of course, as I mentioned, these are 1.9 Beadlocks. The inner back diameter, that this is important for the portal axles, is 22 millimeters, so pretty much you will be able to fit any 1/10 scale crawler portals inside here. Besides that, the width of the central ring is 22 millimeters. That is pretty good, so because you will be able to fit pretty much any tire on these wheels. Besides that, the other thing I have to mention, the hardware are 2.5 screws. And what else I can mention? So this works with a 6 screws locking system. So this is a great system since it's so easy to install the tires on them. And as well as the hex hub comes with a 6 screws configuration too. But pretty much this is an industry standard, so you will be able to fit any extender or extender right here with on these hubs. Besides that, guys, I don't think there's anything else to mention but how beautiful they are. The machining is impeccable. I mean, it's perfect. You can notice, let me see if I can show it to you, there is no imperfections on it. The bits they are using on their CNC machines, they are brand new. I mean, they are perfect. It's spectacular, the machining that they provide to these parts. Besides that, the color, this is a copper color, is spectacular, so beautiful. And you see there is a tiny ring, a silver tiny ring around them that gives like that touch that you said, like these are a high quality Beadlocks and I want them in my truck. So guys, besides that, I don't have anything else to say about the characteristic of these Beadlocks, so let's put them together and let's see how they look. As I mentioned, I'm gonna use these wheels on my early Bronco for Axial, so I will use the stock tires for it. They are the fully licensed Falcon Wild Peak, so these are pretty neat tires. And not the best performance on the rocks, but for me that truck is a Treal truck, so they are great for that. So let's put them together. So look at these wheels, they are so beautiful. I don't know if you're able to see that silver ring right here, this outer silver ring. It looks so cool, so spectacular. So the most important thing, besides of course the way they look, is I don't think this thing goes anywhere. I think they're good. Yeah, these are great wheels. I really like them. So let's put all of them together and then let's see how the early Bronco looks with these beauties. So guys, I left the stock wheels on one side in order to compare them with the new ones. So time of the truth. So take a look on those wheels, so beautiful. I really love the way they look with this body, since this vintage design is spectacular. Really nice, and the color is really cool. I have to say it was pretty easy to put them together. The tires are not going anywhere, so they are like a stick there. So which is what you look for with a really good Beadlocks. And for $52, this is a really hard to beat product. You know, you receive a spectacular quality. The machining is perfect. As I mentioned, I think Treal Hobbies only use new beads to build their Beadlocks because it's perfect. I mean, the finish on this stuff is perfect. Really cool. The color is spectacular. So guys, I highly recommend this product. Go for it. I'm gonna leave the links below in order to you to get it. And my name is Santiago Salinas, and this is the Stuff RC. Please subscribe. Take care, guys. Bye. See you next time.